I'm back with another video. Restart. Ow! Alright. Hey guys, this is Alexis. I'm back with another video and then we're going to get started. I'm going to do a hair tutorial but I have to go because I'm about to go to work and I need to hurry up. So I'm going to show you how to do these buns that look natural. So, what you're going to need, well, to start off is the hair I'm using is just braiding hair. So my hair is like blow dry but not really.
You've never seen Ronnie. You've never seen Ronnie. You've never seen Ronnie.
Alright, so y'all can see I'm sectioning the hair. Like I'm getting like a, as big as you want your buns, get that piece and then like you stretch it out so you don't have all that shedding. But it's already like stretched out. That's a good thing about that hair. And then I put my buns small so I can wrap it around.
Ronnie.
Alright, y'all see I'm teasing the hair to make it fluffier. So the buns are bigger. And cause I like big buns on my head. That's why I obviously do it. Oh my gosh, I'm a fool. I'm always stopping, looking at myself. Alright, so I'm trying to twist my hair around. But it takes time to get exactly the way you want. And you'll see I'm trying to get it the way I want. But I'm trying to hurry because I gotta go, so. Alright, y'all, watch this. Watch how I'm not paying attention and one bun is like a different direction. So the one on the like right is a donut and then one on the other side is like a spiral. But I can't really see because I'm not looking in the mirror or anything because there was like sun and everything. But basically, y'all get it. You just twist your hair until you got the way you like. And now I'm finna so zoop these baby hairs up. Yep, me so zooping my edges. You already know, girl. Edge time. Forehead's too big for no edges. So zoop. Zoop. Alright, that's how I do my little buns to make them look natural and bigger than my natural hair. If y'all like this video, thumbs up and comment what else I should do. But I know you could do like different colors. I'm gonna do that one day. I don't think y'all need a tutorial because it's obviously the same thing. And with the hair, it's braiding hair. They're like $2. You don't have to get that brand like all hair. You just like stretch it out so it won't be like all these pieces everywhere and everything. But yes, you might see me with some color hair someday. Yeah, it's really easy, but they're like $1 or $2 at the hair store, like any one. But thank y'all for watching, and that's my hair tutorial on how to make your buns look fuller and everything. So thanks for watching. Bye.